Hey, welcome to Cook with Chef 2, and on this week's episode, I'll be making one of my favorite cold noodle dishes, especially when it's hot outside. We'll be making ginger scallion sauce, but with soba noodles. Some of the best recipes are those that come to fruition in an organic and genuine way, especially those that come from husbands and wives. Specifically, it was thanks to my wife Jean, that is Korean Japanese, born in Hawaii, that introduced me to soba. Soba being a buckwheat-based noodle, I paired it with one of my favorite sauces. It's called Ma Han Gung, also known as Vietnamese Ginger Scallion sauce. It has everything I love. It has lemongrass, ginger, scallion, fish sauce, and most importantly, it has bacon. It may seem deceptively simple to make, however, it's super easy to mess up. I'll make sure to show you a fail-proof method on how to nail this sauce every time. Like all recipes, there are regional differences. David Chang calls his version of ginger scallion sauce a mother sauce. I wholeheartedly agree. However, I think my version is better. For this recipe, I'm using fresh buckwheat Nihon Soba noodles from Sun Noodle. And you know what? They are legit. Dried soba noodles can't compare. First, blanch your Nihon Soba noodles. Add your noodles to a pot of boiling water and cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, or until they're al dente. Immediately strain your noodles and rinse them under cold water until the noodles are cool. Set aside and allow it to drain for 5 minutes. Next, make your Vietnamese ginger scallion sauce with bacon. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil to a pot on medium heat. Preheat for 30 seconds. Add your bacon lardons, render them until they're slightly crispy. Continuously stir to prevent the bacon from burning. Then add minced lemongrass. Then minced ginger. Add half a teaspoon of fish sauce. Add a quarter teaspoon of rice vinegar. Add a teaspoon of coconut sugar. And then add a pinch of kosher salt. Then turn off your heat and then add your sliced scallions. To serve, grab 6 ounces of cooked Nihon Soba noodles and place them in a ramen bowl, and pile on 3 to 4 tablespoons of ginger scallion sauce. Garnish with fried shallot. You're welcome in advance. There you have it, Vietnamese ginger scallion with soba, served cold on a hot day. And if you want the full recipe, it's in the description below. Alright everyone, that's it for today's episode with Cooking with Chef 2. Make sure you hit like and subscribe and the bell so that way you get alerted when a new episode's out. But most importantly, make sure you get yourself a package of Sun Noodles at the markets listed below in the description. That's it y'all. See y'all next time.